Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, learners and viewers. Today I will start my new class about English grammar and translation, composition, and with phonetics. Today I will teach you about SSC program. We know SSC exam are coming very soon. First questions from SSC exam. That is why how to fill in the gaps. প্রিয় ভিউয়ার এবং লার্নার যারা দেখছেন, এই মুহূর্তে আমি একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ টপিকস নিয়ে আপনাদের আলোচনা করব। যদি এই টপিকটা সবার জানা থাকে তাহলে ইংরেজি যে কোনো সেশনে যে কোনো প্রশ্ন উত্তর খুব সঠিকভাবে দিতে পারবেন। সুতরাং লার্নার্স এন্ড ভিউয়ার, লেটস সি দ্য board. I have to taken a passage without filling in the gaps. Okay, we have to at first it will go read this clue of these sentences or passages. Look at this. I have to select first which parts of the speech is there. Okay, look at this: at, boast, economic, south, contribute, vista, the, aids, turbulent, and history. Learners, is the clue of the passage. So I know you how to fill in the gaps. At first you have to select at, preposition, boast, verb, economic, adjective, south noun, contribute verb, vista noun, the adjective, aid noun, turbulent, that is adjective, history noun. Learners, at first you have to know the clue and where there are parts of speech. So let's see the passage. First one, Padda multi-purpose bridge. You know, before Padda, a blank. We have to fill the gaps here. Padda multi-purpose bridge. We know it's a noun phrase. Padda multi-purpose bridge. Before purpose, multi-purpose or padda, they are all adjective. We have to select and position here a determiner used as adjective. Learners, look at this. We can see a determiner used as adjective the. We can use the. The Padda multi-purpose bridge has opened a new era in dash of Bangladesh. We have to make it a adverbial phrase in the then a noun. We have to take a noun from this list. So we can take here at first history. Okay, we can write down here history. History, history. A new era in the history of Bangladesh. Learners, I think you can understand the Padda multi-purpose bridge has opened a new era in the history of Bangladesh. I think you know the solve easily. So let's see the next sentences. This mega project has been implemented without any foreign that or we can need a noun. Any foreign we can use here point 8 AID 8 বিদেশি সাহায্য দিয়ে viewers, let's see the next dash district were cut off from the capital by the dash for the bridge for the river. Okay, you know districts also a noun. We can use an adjective before noun. We can use here south, maybe adjective, noun. We can change it, convert it into adjective. Southern, S-O-U-T-H-E-N, southern. You can understand southern, south become adjective in southern. Southern districts were cut off from the capital, the determiner, and for the river noun, or before noun we can use an adjective. We can use here turbulent, T-U-R-B-U-L-E-N-T, turbulent, river, for the river. Now the bridge has opened. Now bridge has opened. That the new, we can know it makes a noun phrase. At first you saw a determiner, next new, and you can use here a adjective. We can describe from this given clue here as vista, new vista. Okay, V-I-S-T-A, vista of trade and commerce. Beside tourism, look at this second last sentence here. Tourism is going to dash up. We have to use infinitive, to plus verb. We have to need a verb here. We can use boast, B-O-S-S-T, boast. We know boast of বৃদ্ধি করা, প্রচার করা, that's mean carry here. New vista, or we can either that tourism is going to be boast of, বৃদ্ধি পাচ্ছে. All these will, learners, look at this. All these, that is the subject, will, modal. We can use a verb here. We can use the verb. We can use contribute. These will contribute. C-O-N-T-I-B-U-T. Contribute a lot. In our dash growth. We know before noun we can use an adjective. Our determiner we can use noun. We can use here economic. We can make it economical growth. Economical growth, and surely reduce the poverty of these areas. So learners, the constructions of the bridge, which has work long cherished, which was our long cherished dream came true. It's a complete sentence, but we have to need a adverb. That is why we can use last noun before at last. In this way we can solve this, fill in the gaps from the first question for ACC. Learners and viewers, আমি মনে করি যদি কোনো স্টুডেন্ট ইজিলি এই প্রসেসটা অবলম্বন করতে পারে, তাহলে তারা শিওর এইচএসসি পরীক্ষার খাতে 95% marks he can be acquired. So learners and viewers, You can watch my class regularly and learn things, different topics about how to select partial speech, how to positionize the partial speech, and how can fill in the gaps, and all grammatical exercise or grammatical topics we can use. You can know and use from these classes. So learners, you are welcome to attend my class regularly. I am very much obliged. If you want to learn English as a second language, you can use English. Must be a appropriate subject to read any session as medical science, as others important books from different countries. You have to study lot from the foreign countries or in our countries. You need English. So learners and viewers, see you let's class after class how to change the partial speech, how to change the words or suffix, prefix, with the suffix, prefix or the affixation. Total grammatical way we can solve easily. We have to give different comments from this session. So no more today. I am Mustafa Kamal, senior Shikhak, one upon a time Golondo Popar High School, and nowadays I am assistant headmaster in Moizuddin High School. I try my best. Our generations, maybe students and learners, maybe improve their English in 4 skills: speaking, reading, writing, listening. Both is 4 skills must be acquired from this class. No more today. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.